Jeff Heenan here with the Gen 2 magnetic jack pucks for the Rivian R1T and R1S from jackpucks.com. Okay, unboxing these, they came nicely packed. Here's the outer box. There's some foam inside the case. And here are the jack pucks. They look great. Rivian yellow. You can see the magnets are in there really good. Where you can jack up the Rivian, first you got to put it into all terrain highest and then enable tire change mode from the service menu. Next you got to remove the little cover from the jack point and put in the jack puck. So I had this 3-ton bottle jack that had just about enough reach to get the tire off the ground. I'll put a link to one that has a longer reach. Now I have the spare tire kit with the Rivian jack, so I would just use that if I had a flat on the road. Everyone should have a set of these jack pucks if they have to bring the Rivian to a tire shop and they need to put it on a lift. All shops have Rivian jack pucks. Now, if you don't have them and they have to put it on a lift, they're going to have to remove the plastic covers and it can be a lot of work. There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Rivian, Tesla, Wi-Fi, and tech products.